Good morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear my voice? So the last class, I asked you to try two assignments based on anonymous inner class and lambda expression. Anyway, how many of you tried and completed? Okay. So let me modify that models within 5-10 minutes because already code is there with me, right? Just I'll modify and come, right? Okay. 10 minutes. This one. I'm modifying this program now. This one for 5 minutes. I'll modify. First, I'll use this model. So, I comparable. I'm using I comparable. Already you had I comparable here. We are converting into anonymous. For this, anonymous inner class application 4. Anonymous inner class application 4. This is I comparable. This is copy and paste here. Now, here I had I comparable. Here I had greater. I had smaller. And here, demo interface 3, I'm renaming it as demo anonymous 4. Anonymous 4. Now, easy only, see that. So here greater class must not be there, must be replaced with interface. So what happened now? Sir, interface is I comparable. I comparable. I comparable. And whatever the greater class body is there, this is the body. So cut this body and paste before this is semicolon. This is, now it is the model anonymous inner class as implementation class. Now greater class name not there anyway. You can delete that greater class. Now The same way smaller also. I comparable. I comparable. Smaller class body. So take this smaller class body and paste before this semicolon. Now this one also anonymous inner class as implementation class. Right. So this is I comparable demo anonymous. See that. If I run it, I'll get the answer. If I say 12 and 13, greater value is coming. And 12 and 13, I'm getting smaller value. And it's working. So here, not the program, the model. So we converted that into anonymous. Hope it is easy for you yesterday. Hope so. Right. Here, I comparable dot Java and demo anonymous for dot Java. This is one main class. So this is the model you had it yesterday. Now the same thing you have to convert into lambda. The same thing you have to convert into lambda. This is lambda. Using lambda expression you have to convert it. Once the anonymous came, automatically lambda will come. Okay, right. Demo anonymous for. Okay. Only 2 files more, right? Now, the same program I'll convert into lambda. Lambda expression 3 and I comparable. I'm giving a name. Why I'm maintaining code again means exception handling chapter is coming. You have to convert these all programs into exception handling. Try catches. Because I'm only giving a solution and keeping there. So that I can write try catches very easily there. Okay, right. So lambda expression here. Here, Java project. LAMBDA lambda expression. Lambda expression. Application 3 I comparable. Lambda expression with I comparable. Now, here 2 packages common, just modifying the program only, no? So copy. So here, I comparable. So paste. Now I comparable, this one I'll rename, refactor, rename, demo lambda expression 3, LAMBDA, lambda expression 3. See there, I'm converting into lambda, this one. Already you know, remove this method name, remove this return type and visibility. This is linked with the body and remove this class body and remove this new I comparable. So it became a lambda expression. This is lambda. Expression. The same way here, compare to not there. This one not there. Here, one arrow, body not there, and new I comparable not there. This is lambda. LAMBDA BDA lambda expression. So same program with lambda expression. Same. I want a greater. So program is working anyway. Advantage I said yesterday, dot class file will not come. That is the advantage. So this is lambda. So here also two programs to you. One is iComparable.java. And this is demo LAMBDA lambda expression 3.java. This is one main class. Right. So this is okay. Now I am going for bank transaction solution. So here, anybody got error in lambda expression in bank transaction? Anybody got? No. Right. This is bank transaction. Same. This one also available here. Interface model is available with us. Interface model. Now I am taking anonymous inner class application 5. This is one bank transaction model. So whatever the package is available here, copy and paste under bank transaction. Here transaction, withdraw, deposit, and one bank main class. This only major target. So here withdraw is there, deposit is there. So the classes should become anonymous. It's a target. Okay, right. Now withdraw should be replaced with transaction. Withdraw should be replaced with transaction. Now this withdraw body is available here. This is the body. So bring this body there. Bring that body directly there. Bring it. Now this is anonymous inner class as implementation class. So model. Now withdraw name not there. Remove this withdraw. Now this is anonymous. See there, class body binded here. Here to here, class body. This is anonymous binded. Now the same way, deposit replace with transaction, replace with transaction, and go with the deposit body here. Go with the deposit body. Paste before this semicolon. Here, I pasted with the semicolon. This also anonymous inner class as implementation class. Here, delete. Now this is anonymous inner class. Here, withdraw, deposit, converted. See that? Here, the body is binded down. Here, the body is binded. Answer will come. So, logic affected, logic not affected. Execution time will be decreased. That only concept. So pin number 123, 234, 23 invalid. It's working anyway. So 1111 withdraw 1200. It's working. So program logic not affected, only the performance affected. Okay, right? So this program also same process here. Here, how many classes are there here? Sir, balance dot Java, check pin number, check pin number dot Java, and transaction dot Java, main class, bank main class dot Java. This is one main class. Now I am converting this program into Lambda, the last model. Now Lambda expression. Anyway, this Lambda expression application 4. Now LAMBDA Lambda expression application 4, that is bank transaction. That is bank transaction. Click on finish. Now, this anonymous what is available here, copied here. So copy Lambda expression and paste. Here, this is transaction bank main class. See there, how many of you tried this? Raise your hands. Anybody tried? Nobody tried this. Anybody got error? This bank error will come. Why you not tried? Same process, no? No, nobody started trying this model. Bank transaction. You might have tried actually. Actually, there only one error will come. One rule is there. To educate that rule, I asked you to try it. Day wasted for you. You might have seen that error because in ORM that error will come. ORM means object relation mapping tools will be there in the market. Spring ORM, Spring Echo, Spring Data, Spring JDBC. There is one module actually. So there one error will be coming to you. That error is from here only. See there? One rule. Now I am converting into Lambda. I must remove the name. I must remove this. Right. Link with the body. Now, no class body. No class body. Here, no new transaction. Now, I converted into Lambda already. LAMBDA, Lambda expression. I converted into Lambda. Lambda expression trying to access the variable of interface. Not only B. B is the variable of interface, no? Right. Now it is trying to access, error is coming. B, error is coming. Error. B cannot be resolved to the type, it is saying. Here the rule is you have to use the interface name. Transaction dot. You must use transaction dot. Transaction dot. Transaction dot. So Lambda expression access the variable of functional interface using interface name. It has to access with the interface name. The reason Lambda expression acts like a local expression of a main method. So it has to access with the interface name. Right. Anyway, here, same process now. Right. This is not there. Arrow. No class body. New transaction. Here, transaction dot. So very less situation that one, but in ORM you can find it. There one situation will come on that day. Remember this rule. Anyway, right. Anyway, I converted into lambda. It's working. So the program is running anyway. Same names available here. Now, one point to be remembered here, note. LAMBDA, lambda expression, access the variables of functional interface. Here, functional interface means interface providing the abstract method signature to hold lambda expression, and the interface declared with only one abstract method, we call it as functional interface. Lambda expression access the variables of functional interface using interface name, because the lambda LAMBDA, the lambda expression will be local to a method, because the lambda expression is declared inside one method, no, indirectly. Local to a method. Sir, what is that local to a method? So what is the meaning of that local to a method? See there. So in this program now, right. In this program, this is class, bank main class. Inside this main method is there. Inside that main method, lambda is there. So lambda is local. So from that method, if you want to access the variable of interface, you must use interface name, because interface variables are static variables, no? Yes and no, na. So you have to access with interface name. You cannot see that in advance also. But when ORM tool means hibernate with JPA, that is ORM tool. But nowadays it is outdated. Means very less companies are using hibernate with JPA. Next, you are all entering into Spring JDBC, Spring Data. You are going to use it. In that Spring JDBC, sometimes the module is Spring ORM also there, right? Okay. Like this, any modules are there. In that, they call it as ORM tools. There, sometimes the situation will come. So when the situation comes, when the error comes, you must remember that rule. So interface is a local to one method. If it want to access variable of functional interface, it must use interface name. Okay, right. So that point to be remembered for you. Okay, right. Now look here. So always I am writing one program to you. Demo application. I am writing one program here. Demo application 2 like this. I test, create, demo creation. I am writing like this, where create dot get reference, creating object and getting the reference. Always I am writing this program or not now. Now I'll write the final one. First program, demo creation. First means demo application, first program. Second one is demo application 2. Third one, demo application 3. In the demo application 3, I am keeping lambda. I am giving with lambda. That's the latest one. So demo application 3 I am taking. Right. Whatever the things are there, copy and paste. Right. See there? Here, iTest is there, first program. For demo purpose, we use iTest and create. In this, I am using anonymous, no? I can convert this anonymous to lambda or not? Yes or no? Na? So, I am converting this anonymous to LAMBDA, lambda expression. Now, sir, M1 name not there. Rule is rule only, no? Right. So, public not there. Now, class body not there. Now, new iTest not there. See that? If you write like this, who will understand any? Who don't know basic, they never understand this code. You write this code and show to somebody who completed core Java. They'll ask where is wrong code, they'll say, because method name not there, class name not there. Error not coming and see they're written. At last your return statement is returning the lambda. Returning lambda means what? Creating object. So this is lambda. Return the lambda. Here program will run. Program is running. Same program only. Answer is coming. At last 3 programs are there. I'll show it. See there. First demo application. If not, I'll change the name to demo application 1. I'll change the name to demo application 1. Demo creation 1. I'll change the name to demo creation 1. I'll change it. Right. First program iTest create demo creation 1. See there? iTest create. In the create class, one static method is there. Inside that one inner class is there. We are creating object. First we are writing manual inner class or not now. That is 1.6. JDK 1.6, 1.7. We write manual inner class there. Okay, right. Now later on 1.7 demo application 2. In demo application 2, iTest and create. Here manual inner class name not there. It became anonymous. 1.7 it became anonymous. In 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 dot class files will come. 1.7 is more high performance than 1.5 and 1.6. Means JDK. Right, okay. Now the latest one available is nothing but Demo application 3. See there, direct lambda. Here anonymous modified as this is the latest JDBC code. Daily you are writing no connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Right. Inside lambda expression is there to create object. That only high performance. Understood now? That is a history for you. So what you have to do now today? If you want to learn these models anyway, I'm adding this application. Right. I took demo application 3. Again, itest.java, create.java, demo creation 3.java. This is one main class. Right. Now what you have to do today means that bank transaction program will be there, right? 3 types will be there with you. One in the interface, one in the anonymous, one in the lambda. You can cross check the notes who are interested. That much of patience available to you or not, I don't know. But who are maintaining your hard copies, you can see it. Soft copy, if you scroll down, not possible. What is happened before you cannot see, no? If it is a soft copy. If it is a hard copy, you can turn here and there. Who are maintaining a hard copy? In interface chapter, bank transaction program is there. Today I written anonymous and lambda. The bank transaction 3 printouts you take it. So bank transaction from interface, take a printout. Today bank transaction through anonymous, bank transaction through lambda. Model 1, model 2, model 3. Indirectly, the 3 you can pin it together. The same way I comparable also 3 times there. I comparable also 3 times are there. One in the interface and today anonymous and one lambda. Take that 3 programs as a printout and pin it. And I arithmetic 3 times will be there. One with the interface, one with anonymous, one with lambda. Take that 3 as a printout. Today demo application 3 times will be there. One with the inner class, one with the anonymous, one with lambda. Demo application means JDBC. In JDBC, if anybody asked connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection, then you must say get connection method internally having inner class as a implementation class. You must say who completed this model. You must say, because their model that only know connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Statement STM is equal to con dot create statement. Prepared statement PS is equal to con dot prepared statement. Callable statement CS is equal to con dot callable statement. Result set RS is equal to PS dot execute query. They are all applications only. So the methods internally holding anonymous inner classes by 1.7 from 1.8 lambda scheme. That only concept. Again, the student will ask in web service trainer and Spring trainer, sir, connection con is equal to method. Sir, here interface object not there. No, sir. How you came means the trainer will throw you out of that batch. Don't ask that question again. Right? You still 10% of the students will ask them. Sir, your interface object not there. No, sir. Interface do not have object. Implemented object will come. Again, the student will ask the same question to one web service trainer. Then they will ask why you came here. Without a basic of core and advanced, why you came here? That is a question raises in the mind because it's applicative area, no? So these many 4th level you are sitting in level 4. Level 4 means web service. We are sitting in level 4 and you are asking that how are you? Interface do not have object. But how the objects are coming? Observe no. Implementations objects are, that only diagrams are there. Why I am drawing the diagram? I'm not saying roughly. I'm presenting in the book and releasing to the market. Saying that implemented objects are coming. But implementation class there are not there. Implementation class not there. See there. In the last model today, what happened now? Sir, This is one interface. iTest OP is an interface. This is one class. This is one method. Then how the object is coming out? Open the get reference method. Open the get reference method. In get reference method, what is there now? Lambda. For lambda object is there? No, diagram is there. So that is the level you have to maintain very speedily when you see the code. So finally, the applicative models has been ended. After that, models not available. Understood this point now? Models not available in core Java ended. After that, remaining all concepts only. Exception handling, multi-threading, collection, that all concepts. Concepts means the knowledge you are going to apply there. Now models has been ended. Right? The final model is lambda. With that lambda, your applicative area also changed. Right? One more model came, but we are not applying in the market. Just they entered 3-4 years back into threading concept they entered. The model is method references. Make it star mark IMP Java 8 feature. Method references. Method references in Java. This is Java 8 feature. Interface not completed. Somebody is asking arrays. See there, sir, Vishal. Sir, arrays, sir. What is happening in the class also don't know. After interface covered only arrays will come, no. Already sequence is there, no. Class, interface, array, enum. Suddenly some students will come and after 10 days or 15 days they'll come. They'll go for one interview. They'll ask one question. For that question, they'll come to the class. Generally, that only happens. Sir, they asked question collection, sir. When the collection starts, sir, then why you went to interview first? Course not ended, no? Understood, no? Still lot more concepts are ending, no? Whenever you want to write one examination for LKG also, LKG course should be completed. The same way here also. Right? One sequence will be there. Method references, star mark IMP, Java 8 feature. So Java 8 majorly 3 features in core Java. Core Java related 3 features, you have to remember it. One lambda expression, first one. Hope you had a command over lambda expression. You practice once. Because survival not there without lambda expression. Survival not there without lambda expression. You cannot make a journey. Not possible with lambda. Okay, right? After lambda, method reference. Second model is method reference. Third one is concrete methods into interface. After now, interface holding abstract method, no? Interface can be declared with the concrete method. This is the third feature. These 3 features related to core Java. They are related to core Java. And some more components added. These are programming models. Programming models means while constructing programs, I must use lambda expression model. I must use method reference model. I must use interface adding with one concrete method. It's called programming models. Some components entered. One component I brought in string chapter. Java.util.string joiner. Do you remember? I brought one class, right? Okay. Like this, some components entered. Components entered, remaining all components entered into collection. They are comparable. I also forget it. Comparable, not comparable. I also forget that interface. 1 minute. Java P, Java dot lang dot iterable. Right. Consumer came, by consumer came, predicate, by predicate, function, by function. Like this, 7 or 8 components came into interface. Components came into library. Programming models 3 only, but library came with many components, 8 to 9 components came. So Java 8 features means that only. First you must learn programming modules. Then we are going to touch the components part of your journey. Now I am entering into second programming module, that is method references. Make a statement. So to explain this method reference now, see there. We are under inner classes, no? Now, here one interface will be there. I'll take one interface. Always I'll take iTest, one interface. This interface will have one abstract method, void DAS, int k. One abstract method. Now, I want body for this method. I can give body for this method through implementation class with name. Yes or no? Yes or no? I can declare one implementation class with name. Means what? Some I class implements from iTest. I can take that method signature and write the body. Means I can provide the body for this abstract method by declaring one implementation class. That is one model. Second one, I can declare the same implementation class without name. That is anonymous. I can provide the body for the abstract method by using a model known as anonymous inner class as implementation class. The second one. Third one, I can provide the body for this abstract method through lambda expression. There are the three models now. One is 1.6, one is 1.7, one is 1.8. Means Java 6, Java 7, Java 8. Three models. And the fourth one, I want to provide the body for this abstract method. Now, suppose one class is there here. Imagine it. One class. One class is available here. The class name is display. Normal class. The class name is display. One class. There is no relation between class and interface. There is no relation between class and interface. Relation not there. Means the class is not implemented class. Relation not available. Link not there. So display class is not implementation class of iTest. Very important point. Right. Okay. Now the display class will have some methods. So what methods you can declare means I can declare two methods, sir. One is static method. One is non-static method I can declare. So other than the two static methods, what you can declare? I can declare constructor. Constructor also method only, no? So I can declare one constructor. I can declare one static method. I can declare one instance method. So I am taking one constructor here. Imagine I am taking one constructor here. I am taking one constructor. I am taking one instance method here now. Void m1 of into y. I am taking one instance method. Sir, I am taking one static method. Static void m2 of int z. I am taking one static method. Anyway, static methods will get the memory here only. Yes or no? So the memories are here only. One is static, one is instance, one is constructor. Now the abstract method signature is saying that I want body from that class. There are three methods available, no? I want body from that methods. Body from that methods, right? Okay. The final model is nothing but very important model, that interface abstract method attached with the body of method which belongs to a class which is not related to interface. That interface and class relation not there. No implements keyword. Even then, we take the body of that method and give to that interface. That concept we call it as method reference. Means taking the body of a method from a class where the class is not related to interface. That concept we call it as a method reference concept. So this is one high level concept generally we are using in the market. Especially we started using this model in threadings. We brought the model into threadings. Still they not entered into server application. They are in the threading applications. Means thread APIs are there. This model is using now. So the final statement in theory, make a statement. The process in which the abstract method, of functional interface, the process in which the abstract method of functional interface is attached with the body of method from a class. The process in which the abstract method of functional interface is attached with the body of method from a class where the class is not related to an interface. Not related to an interface. Not related means there is no link between interface and class. That's the meaning. So in a normal, there is no link between classes and interfaces. So there is no, forget it, very good. There is no link between class and interface. Enough. Class and interface. Now, these method references are categorized into three types because the class has three bodies, no? Body of constructor, body of instance method, body of static method. So we can take three bodies from a class. So there are three method references. Method references are categorized into three types. Method references are categorized into three types. One, reference to constructor. Reference to constructor. Reference to instance method. To instance method. Reference to static method. Reference to static method. Reference to constructor, reference to instance method, reference to static method. So static method. Right. Three references are there to you. Reference to constructor, reference to instance method, reference to static method. Right. Here, now that abstract method is attached with the body of constructor. We are taking the body of constructor and attaching. Okay, right. The process in which the abstract method of functional interface is attached with the body of constructor. The process in which the abstract method of functional interface is attached with the body of constructor is known as reference to constructor. Reference to constructor. Right. All of you understood lambda expression, no? Yes or no? Na? If not, today you make a review by yourself once and ask the doubts. Lambda. If you know lambda, the journey will be a bit easy. Right? Okay. If not, you will face a problem. The statement you can listen carefully and you can. I am saying today, lambda expression not there means journey is impossible. Right? I am making one statement today. Who are not learning lambda, after entering into real time, one day you will remember me. When core Java trainer said on that day to learn it out, I wasted my time. You will realize it. So that much of important, because that model is 2014 model. Today we are in 2022. Now management also planning one Java 8 features with collection framework from me. But because of my schedule, they are not finding the time. So I'm busy with the 12 hours per day I'm teaching. That is not a new thing, many. But still they are waiting for my batch for Java. Generally, before pandemic, we used to come with workshops. Before pandemic, in this corona situation not there, means in a normal mode. We come with workshops actually. Some latest features we come with workshops. The reason, class mode, huge syllabus core Java. Actually, you know or don't know, I don't know. Huge syllabus will be there. Because student asked to repeat it also, we cannot repeat here. We ask them to come with the next batch. Because management, you can go and ask management. Sir, I not listen these components, I want listen. Management will write and send it, core Java. Because they know very huge content. So the trainer, we cannot come back again. Not possible. Because session counts will be increasing on. Unexpectedly, they'll be increasing. Today I am touching method reference. So it takes 2 sessions almost. 2 sessions extra added, no? Understood that now? So lambda expression. I took one explanation. I took 3 programs or the 5 programs. Sessioning is like this. So we come with workshops sometimes that happened before pandemic actually. But again, the management is restarting them. Nowadays they are issuing ID cards and they're coming to normal mode. In the normal mode, again, you will get to all options. Means what? Normal class mode will be there. Workshop mode will be there. So they're planning 8 features with collection from me. So that also access to all the students of Naresh IT generally. Like this, they'll educate some features out of box. Means sometimes the trainer cannot spend much time in the normal mode. Why? Means interviews will be scheduling on, examinations will be coming on, again placements will be starting on. So in this rush mode, we must push the students very fastly to that pool. No other choice. Because if I don't push the students there, again this term will be wasted. No? Suppose you people also, if you cannot get offer letter before August, you have to wait again for 4 months. I'm warning you indirectly. If you don't take offer letter in this season, within 2 months or 3 months, if you not take it, again for 3-4 months offer letter will not come. Again you have to wait up to November, December, you have to wait it. November, December, if you don't get it there, again it moves to March and April. If you don't get there, 1-2 years will be wasted. That only happening actually. When a student cannot plan his time, a student cannot work hard, automatically the time increases. That span increases. Very two choices only will be there. Now recruitment period this is. This period is recruitment period because huge placements will be there. Directly, indirectly, somewhere the student has to catch it. If he cannot pick it out, again August will come. June, July it will be stopped. From there the placements will be very, 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 very less. Again to come to the placement, what happened now? Recruitment bodies will be looking for freshers again. 2023 passed out. So for that the slack will be there. If you don't catch that, what happened now? 2 years will be there. Gap will come 2 years. If he cross the 2 years, 3rd year will be entering. When the 3rd year enters, what happened now? He have to explain to the market what you done in these 3 years. That only take. That only take. Understood now? So because what is playing a role here? Time and your hard work. When you are sitting in one room means you have to work it. No other choice. So B trainers will be going on. You must travel with us. You also, if you cannot understand any topic from here, you can come and sit in the next batch. I said, no, 9am is your batch only, backup batch. 9am class is there, no, that batch is backup batch. So that batch crossed strings and they are entering into references and inheritance. The batch is entering. The student can come and sit there. So that batch is your backup batch. If you cannot understand, even inner classes very complicated will be there. If you don't understand, you can pick from there. Okay, right. But today evening, complete that lambda expression. Lambda expression is nothing but one abstract method attached with body or not now. The same thing is happening now also. Now also same thing only. See there. Abstract method of functional interface attached with the body of a constructor. Attaching body only, no. The flower is lambda flower only, no. Attaching body only. The body are taking from where now? Constructor. So how the syntax will be there? 2 minutes, don't write it. The syntax is like this. First you have to take that functional interface name. Take that functional interface name. After taking that functional interface name, I want the body of constructor. I want the body of constructor. I made one statement in your interface, sorry, constructor chapter. I will write one line there. I'll show it. Constructor is a method having the same name of the class and executed while object creation. That only definition actually. That only. But I added some more paragraph or not now. In the interview, if we say that enough, constructor is a method having the same name of class and executed while object creation. Enough. There only complete information available. So based on that, if you ask a question, you can come from there slowly. But I only added one point there. I only giving a reason also, because the constructor call is available in object creation syntax. I written one point here. Attached with what now? New keyword. Sir, new keyword not there means constructor call not there means not there. In lambda expression, new keyword not there, no? Constructor is there means not there. Understood this point now? So in the lambda expression, constructor not there. Because new keyword is not there, no? New keyword is there means constructor is there. All of you observe this point now. So constructor is attached with the new keyword while object creation syntax. Right? Today, I want to take the body of a constructor. The constructor is referred by the new keyword. The body of constructor is referred by new keyword. You are saying that I want body of constructor, no? Right. Whenever you want to refer the constructor, refer by new keyword. Refer by new keyword. So new keyword says that constructor. You written new keyword there means it says constructor. It says. Okay, that line says that when the execution engine comes there, RHS new. Okay, new means I must take the body of a constructor. That's the meaning. But that constructor belongs to whom? I must give the information. Because in my application, many classes will be there. They belongs to whom means they said, the syntax says that write class name. Because the new keyword refers one constructor. The constructor belongs to which class? Write the class name and write scope. That is scope operator. 2 colons, scope operator. Actually, this operator belongs to C++. Actually, that scope we call it as scope operator anyway, belongs to C++, now came into Java. Saying that new. From where I should scope this new? Scope means seeing it. Where I should see that new. You see that new in one class name. Right. So there one constructor is there. Bring that body and bind it. Understood this point now? So in example, sir, here. Your example is there or not now? What is the syntax now? Sir, I test. Interface name means I test. OB1 is equal to. You said class name. What is the class name now? Display. Scope. Scope with what keyword now? New. Understood the syntax? Right? This is a syntax. Now whether it is working or not, let me test it. I must test it, no? Whether constructor is running or not, I must test it. So for this, let me test this. Whether it is working or not. I am taking references application 1. Method references application 1. Under method references, I am taking one package test. I am taking. Package access I am taking. Under this test now, new, I am taking one interface. For understanding purpose, always I'll take one interface name, iTest. I will take it. Under this iTest, I am taking one method. Public abstract void display of int k. I am taking one abstract method. I am taking one class here. Class name is display. I am taking. So display I am taking. So the display class will have 3 methods. one constructor. Anyway, I am writing one constructor, public display int x. This is from constructor. So system dot out dot println. I am putting one comment. The output is coming from one constructor. Now system dot out dot println the value x. The value x is equal to plus x. Now let me take the remaining ones. So public void m1 of int y. So I am taking one instance method. So system dot out dot println, here one instance method. Instance method. This is one instance method. Now system dot out dot println the value x. The value x, value y is equal to plus y. So I am taking one static method. So public static void m2 of int z I am taking. Now system dot out dot println, this is one static method. This is one static method. Now system dot out dot println, here the value z is equal to plus z. So three methods I took it, no? Right. So I am taking the body of constructor outside. You have to observe this model, right? For this, I am going with the main class. I am going with the main class. Now, here one class, demo method references. Demo method references. So here import test not star. Now I am writing here functional interface name iTest OB1 is equal to display scope with new. So this only reference to constructor. Reference to constructor because new is there, no? Right. Now I'll call that body for execution. Means constructor body for execution. For that I'll use OB1 dot display 121. So this is constructor body is executed. I am calling the method from interface actually display, but the method attached with the constructor body and answer will come. Constructor is coming out or not now? Observe this point, right? Actually, constructor is executed while object creation, but what happened today? We are taking the body of constructor and attaching to one method known as a display. I am calling with this. That's a new concept introduced by Java 8. So constructor body is coming. Now the same way we repeat for second one. Write it. Second one. Reference to instance method. Reference to instance method. The process in which the abstract method of functional interface is attached with the body of instance method. Body of instance method is known as reference to instance method. To instance method. Reference to instance method. The process in which the abstract method of functional interface is attached with the body of instance method is known as reference to instance method. Right. All of you see the syntax once? All of you?